Gardening can improve many aspects of mental health, focus, and concentration. Improves mood. Gardening can make you feel more peaceful and content. Focusing your attention on the immediate tasks and details of gardening can reduce negative thoughts and feelings and can make you feel better. With the start of the rainy season and when weather begins to warm up, the urge to spend more time outside gardening is steadily on the rise. Being around plants has shown higher levels of reduced stress and anxiety. Interacting with nature, especially with the presence of water, can increase self-esteem and mood, reduce anger, and improve general psychological well-being with positive effects on emotions or behavior. Exposure to natural settings help improve the human perceptions of emotional, psychological, and social benefits. Plants are a symbol of life and can influence those around them. Garden walking decreases depression because it exposes people to sunshine and high amounts of vitamin D, a synthesizer of serotonin. Serotonin is the chemical in brains that induces happiness. Plant-filled homes and areas also can boost memory and heighten attention span. In high-stress times and environments, gardening lends an outlet for keeping the hands and mind busy.